Mary, you sound amazing. So first of all, you sound great. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. The biggest things I want you to focus on with this video and with this song are number one, quiet inhalations. So making sure we're inhaling well, inhaling into that inner tube breath. Some of your inhales are fast and they go into your chest and I can hear them. Not ideal. And I'm going to point them out in the video as it goes. So number one, quiet inhalations, please, setting yourself up for success with your inhale. Number two, controlled exhalations. A lot of your higher belt is like coming from here. You're squeezing here instead of letting the air do the work. Soft palate to pressed, really using all this space. So those are the two big things, and I can't wait to hear what you do with it. So now the video, I'm going to go through the video and I'm going to insert myself and say, here's where this is, here's how to fix this, and then at the end I will give you exercises to do to improve it all. Let's get started.
Well, she seemed alright by the dawn's early light, though she looked a little worried and weak.
Right there, your breath was high and it was loud. Take as much time as you need to breathe. You have plenty of time to inhale.
She tried to pretend he wasn't drinking again.
There it is again, high breath, literally high and high. So engaging your core to breathe there.
Daddy left the proof on her cheek. Some folks whispered, some folks talked, but everybody looked the other way. And when time ran out, there was no one about on Independence Day.
Okay, so here we come to the higher belt, the higher blend area. How does it feel in your throat, the let freedom ring part? A little tense? Yeah. So we're inhaling well and keeping our throat open. And I really want you to focus on this up space. So to help you do that, you're going to sing that whole section, let freedom ring, a few different ways and see what works for you. So you can do it bent over. So you're hinging from the hips, let freedom ring, and you're really hanging down, like your neck has to be hanging down. Okay, you can try it that way. You can also try it lifting up here, like literally I pull my hair up. Let freedom ring, and using all this space here. You can also think about spreading your hard palate, right? So the roof of your mouth where it's hard is your hard palate. You can think about spreading that, and that will help you feel that up space and keeping all this space resonant.
Let freedom ring, let the white dove sing, let the whole world know that today.
I'm going to have you play with today, the vowel sound more. Oh, I will today, today is what you're doing, and you have a really open sound. Can we just go to like a today, which is very much more in country. Today, instead of today, might help you stay in that space better.
Is a day of a reckoning, let the weak be strong, let the right be wrong, roll the stone away.
Ooh, girlfriend, there's a nice push right there. Roll the stone away. You're pushing from your throat instead of using your air. So remember, we have that foundation of support in our pelvic floor, really inhaling well here. Diaphragm is tense, keeping the tension on the diaphragm with our core. Use that tension and not the tension here to sing those notes.
Let the guilty pay, it's Independence Day.
What a joy to hear you sing. Okay, the biggest things, again, we talked about this at the beginning, making sure you have that foundation of support underneath you, right? Your pelvic floor is engaged, it's helping you sing. You're keeping tension on the diaphragm with your controlled exhalation. Throat is staying open or relaxed or not tense, right? Your larynx is coming up just a little for that higher belt, and you're using all this space for the higher belt. To help you keep tension out of the throat, I had you bending over. You can also squat for the high notes, so we're putting tension in our quads instead of our throat. And the other thing you could do is lip buzz it. So, and what we're doing is reminding our body how to get air out of us, and then your nose tickles. So those are what I would give you to practice this, and let me know how it goes.